Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. Now note that some of the Roku models does not support built-in Bluetooth, okay? So let me first show you if you have built-in Bluetooth on your Roku TV, okay? So first just go to settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can navigate that way. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then left pane here, just navigate the settings. So go to settings, select that, and then go to remotes and devices right there, select that. Now, if you don't have Bluetooth headphones and speakers and you don't have built-in Bluetooth, okay? However, if you still want to connect these earbuds or any Bluetooth headphones, a workaround would be just to download the Roku app on your phone, and you can connect it from your phone there and listen to the earbuds or whatnot from the TV. Okay, but anyway, this video here is we do have built-in Bluetooth here. So I'm just going to go down to Bluetooth headphones and speakers right there. I'm going to, oops. So we're already here. I'm going to go down to Bluetooth and headphones and speakers. Yeah, that's it. So let's select that. And now you can see I have tons of earbuds and headphones on this TV here, but we go all the way down. It says add Bluetooth or audio device. Okay, but before I click on that, add Bluetooth audio, add new Bluetooth audio device, let me put these in a pairing mode first. So the buds are in the case. Let me open these up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light and then it turns off. The reason for me is because it's connected to one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case. There's a little button here on the case. I'm going to press and hold that button and wait until it starts blinking. Orange, green, orange, green. So button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait, there we go. Orange, green, orange, green. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot back over to the TV here. And we're going to choose add new Bluetooth audio device. We're going to select that. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. Oh, there you go. And it found the SHOKZ right there. It's already highlighted. Let's OK that on the remote. It says you're done. And we are now connected, and you can see the check mark right up there. Anyway, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.